All right, let's just jump in. All right, so I'm going to talk about XRP for a moment. I want to start by saying I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you to do anything or suggesting that you do anything. Please make your own decisions, do your own research, and come to your own conclusions. I'm simply telling you what I am seeing and what I am doing. This is my opinion. These are my observations, nothing more. Now, with that being said, let's jump into this XRP chart and I'll show you what I'm seeing. All right, so what I'm seeing is that the position we're in right now, these are weekly candles here looking at XRP against Bitcoin, not against the US dollar. This position where we're at right here is strangely familiar. It is uncannily familiar to this position we found ourselves in right here in December of 2017. Now, I know there's been a lot that's happened with XRP last week. The SEC announced that it's suing Ripple, alleging that XRP is a security and that the CEO and leadership of XRP engaged in illegal activity. So I know there's a lot going on there. I'm not discounting that. I'm not saying it's not real. It is real. It caused problems for XRP, and there's probably more trouble to come in the days to come. But I'm going to explain to you in this video why I'm actually counting on more trouble in the days to come, and I actually plan on capitalizing on that. So first of all, this red candle, this sell-off is what happened last week. This is last week's candle. Huge red candle, right? Huge volume. But if you go back to December 2017, this red candle here, the sell-off prior to the bull run of 2017, this sell-off was bigger than this sell-off here. So that to me is a very peculiar data point. There was no SEC lawsuit, but yet the sell-off that led right up to the bull run in 2017 was bigger than last week's sell-off. So if you look at XRP against Bitcoin, right now we're sitting at 1,049 Satoshis. The last time XRP was this low, besides this flash crash, this scam wick here, was in December 2017, which was right before the bull run. Look at this. Boom, you had 4 consecutive bearish candles, and then you had 4 consecutive bullish candles. So you had this huge sell-off last week because of the SEC, which took us right back to the position we were in 2017. Well, if what happened in 2017 happens next, we're going to see a tremendous bull run. So this bull run ended with, if you take this candle here, 1 XRP costs you 22,000 Satoshis. From the bottom of this move here, which was like 1,100 Satoshis, to the top of this move here, you're looking at a 1,700% ROI against Bitcoin right here. That's crazy, right? 1,700% gain. So with that being said, what I'm saying and what I'm seeing is that this red candle that took us down here actually set us up to be in a better place for the coming bull run whenever it happens. Because if the bull run happens and we're at 1,000 Satoshis, heading up to the 22,000 mark, which is our all-time high, you're talking about a 2,000. You're talking about 20x, right? Now, here's the thing. Okay, the SEC thing is different. And I don't think we're getting ready to see 4 green candles right now. What I think, and once again, these are just my thoughts and my opinion, I think there's going to be some volatility and some more downside here as this whole SEC thing is worked out. How long will that be? Will it be weeks? Will it be months? Will it be a year? Will it be multiple years? I don't know. I don't know the time frame. I don't even know how it's going to work out. My conviction is that XRP is going to survive. Why do I think XRP is going to survive? First reason is the fundamentals of XRP have not changed. The SEC lawsuit has not made XRP any less useful, viable, or valuable. Secondly, the SEC is an American governmental organization. XRP is an international asset. 95% of XRP, I heard somewhere, is outside of the US. So my conviction is that XRP is going to survive this. How long is it going to take to recover? I don't know. I have no clue. There probably will be more of a downside in the meantime. But here's how I'm capitalizing on that downside. So I've got 2 strategies. My first strategy is with my holdings. And with my holdings, I'm simply holding. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to dump. I'm simply going to hold, okay, because I'm confident it's going to recover. But my trading strategy is different, and I trade on Prime XBT. There's a link in the description if you're interested. What Prime XBT allows you to do is to use Bitcoin as a collateral for making trades, longs or shorts on different assets, and you can use leverage as well, which is very dangerous if you don't do it correctly. My trading portfolio is very small. I've only got about $500 of Bitcoin in there. And secondly, my risk is very low. I'm only risking about $200 of that portfolio on this trading strategy. This is one of the strategies of wealth. You make asymmetric bets. An asymmetric investment is if I'm wrong, I lose a little. If I'm right, I gain a lot. So I do acknowledge that I could be wrong. I do acknowledge that I can lose. But I believe here that the upside is much bigger than the downside. Now, here's what I'm doing. Right now, I was able to buy in at the bottom, almost at the bottom of this wick here. I was able to set a long of 1,000 XRP at 975 Satoshis. So it went down here to about 940. I bought in this wick at 975 Satoshis. So let's say it crashes again, right? Let's say it heads down beneath 1,000 Satoshis. So I've got right now a stop loss at 899 Satoshis, and then another buy order at 900 Satoshis. And then if 900 is the bottom, I'm set. But I've got another stop loss at 799 Satoshis and a buy order at 800 Satoshis. If 800 is the bottom, great. If it goes down beneath 800, 799, my 900 Satoshi buy will stop out. My 800 Satoshi buy is going to be solid. It's going to be good until it gets down to 699. If it gets down to 699, that one's going to stop out, and I'm buying at 700. If it gets down to 599, the 700 is going to stop out, and I'm buying at 600. So all the way down, I don't care where the bottom is, the lower it goes, the better. Now, every time one of those stop losses go through, I lose like $20, something like that. It's like $20, $23, $24. This is Operation Find the Bottom. And wherever the bottom is, the lower, the better. If the bottom is 500 Satoshis, and I've got 1,000 XRP at 500 Satoshis, which is a small amount. When it gets to 1,000 Satoshis, I'm going to add another 1,000, let's say. But then set a stop loss at 800 or 750 Satoshis, so that if it crashes beneath, the top one will stop out at 750, and the bottom will stop out at 750 as well. So all I'm doing is locking in the 750 Satoshi profit. When it gets to 2,000, I'll add another, say 4,000 or 5,000 XRP. So every level above that, the higher it gets, the more the upside becomes, and the safer it becomes as well. But watch this. Let's say 500 Satoshis is the very bottom, and let's say XRP goes back to test its all-time high against Bitcoin. If it goes back to 22,000 Satoshis for one XRP, you're looking at a 4,300% ROI, which means that the lower this goes, the better our prospects. The lower this goes, the better the upside is. Now, let's say I'm completely wrong and XRP goes to zero. I've lost $200 in this scenario, $230 or something. Let's say XRP doesn't go back to 22,000 Satoshis. Let's say it goes from 500 to 4,000 Satoshis. I still made 800%. Let's say it only goes to 2,000 Satoshis. I still made 320%. In other words, I don't have to be 100% right for this strategy to be profitable. I don't know if that made sense or not. I don't know if that helps you or not. That's just what I'm seeing. That's what I'm thinking. That's how I'm viewing this whole thing. I know it's going to take time. It's going to require patience. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm not suggesting that you do anything. I'm simply telling you what I think, what I see, and what I'm doing, and why. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. If you want more videos, let me know in the comments section. And if you're interested in checking out Prime XBT, there is a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. All right, folks, that's all I got.